We are now entering the small town of Discovery Bay.
So sick of it, so done, none of it, never listen, you never listen, I scream your name!
So they were illiterate and they didn't want their kids coming up in the same vein. So they
Yes. Woohoo!